I was born to be free. I was born to be free.
It's like that.
Guys, good morning. Listen, man, I'm having some cam difficulties, guys. Can you hear me? Can y'all hear me? I'm sorry, man. I don't know. Yo, this is so annoying. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to fix this. Sorry, guys. Give me 1 second here. I tried setting up a little bit differently today, and I learned my lesson. I'm not doing that, but man. Come on. Guys, give me... All right, y'all. You gotta tell me if I'm live right now, because I have no idea. I literally have no idea if we're live right now. Are we back up or what? Are we back, guys? Can y'all see me? So stupid, man. All right, are we cool? Y'all gotta talk to me. I see myself. I don't know if I'm live though. Yes, you can see me and you can hear me. All right, guys. Good morning. How's everybody doing? I'm sorry, man. A little bit of a technical difficulty there. I don't know what just happened. Damn, that was embarrassing, man. That was embarrassing. That was actually super embarrassing. Yeah, what's good, guys? All right, let's try this again, man. Let's try this again. Good morning, everybody. Iggy, what's up, brother? It says Bitcoin is going higher than Snoop Dogg and Bob Marley. Guys, do you like the poll today? Let me know. Good morning, Mohammed Omer. Well, where I am. Good evening where you are, sir. I hope you had a good day. Chemo, good morning. Brandon England, what's up, dog? Good morning. God is in the chat. Let's go, baby. Good morning. Rendell, good morning. 33 in, 14 likes. He says, guys, we got 51 viewers. 29 likes. Let's go before the stream even started. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate y'all. By the way, guys, give me a music update. Can y'all hear the music? Don't tell me y'all can't hear the music, bro. Don't even tell me that. Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear the music. So we're going to do plan B. Okay, you should be able to hear the music now. Can y'all hear the music? Man, I don't know, guys. I'm having technical difficulties today. Jeez. All right, God says new yearly high. Yes, sir. We're going to talk about how high Bitcoin can go. TP1 at the high right when the song said you were born to be free. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Music name, Nassim. DM me on Discord and I'll give you the playlist. It's all of my copyright free stuff. Loud and clear. Let's go. Let's go. All right, man. Good morning, guys. I'm just catching up here real quick. You don't have to put up. We don't have to put up with this on. Man, I know, bro. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I tried something different, man. I tried something different. You see a small square head in the corner. Yeah. What's up, guys? All right, the music should be good now. Can y'all hear the music? Yeah, you're good. All right. Okay, now that we're caught up, man, I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Good morning. Happy Friday. We got a lot to talk about because BTC is getting its pump on. And listen, man, y'all know, man. Look, you guys know. Okay, y'all know. We're overextended. I sound like a broken record. But the truth is, guys, look, we got to be, look, as traders, we have to play both sides of it, right? We can't be bullish and we can't be bearish. We got to just be neutral. We got to be robotic, like my GeoBot in the Discord. And so let's talk about where Bitcoin can head now, because we're kind of in like what I would consider uncharted territory. Yes, I know Bitcoin was 69K. Let me get my TA shades on. But we haven't been here in over a year. In like a year and a half, actually, we haven't been up here. So, I mean, let's talk about where it can go. We're going to talk about Market Cipher V. We're going to really focus on Market Cipher V today. because I do think sometimes amongst all the technical analysis and what you think might happen or what you think should happen, market Cipher B, man, prevails all. The truth is market Cipher B is better than any technical analysis out there, in my opinion. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about how you could have entered. I am long. I actually did short this morning. I did not take profit. I shorted at like 5 a.m. I did not take profit, and then now I got stopped out of my entry. No problem. But nonetheless, like I said, man, we're gonna play the range, and we're gonna be as objective as possible. Last night at 5 a.m. in the VIP Discord, I told you guys, let's see. How long ago was this? I told y'all, look, because people, it was 5 a.m. my time. The Discord was like, oh, wait, we got to go way more back. The Discord was like, yo, like, should I go to sleep or whatever? And I told y'all, go to bed, boys. We still got time. And I drew this picture. And that is this picture. I haven't touched it. Okay, so exactly as we expected happened. How high did we go? Wow, we actually touched 39K. That's pretty insane right now. Crazy, man, crazy. Guys, let me know in chat if you're long or short. And we're gonna talk now. We're gonna talk. Do I think that 39 is the high? Look, I said this before, and I'm gonna say this again. This is kind of uncharted territory. Okay? You could argue. I mean, technically it's not, right? Technically it's not. Let's hide our monthly levels. We don't need that right now. Technically it's not, right? Like, you could pull fibs and stuff. I don't use fib extensions personally. I don't use them. I don't believe in them. Not that they don't work. I just don't use them. I'm not a fan, and I, to be honest with you, don't really know how to use it. If I'm being super honest with you. But if you were to do any kind of like macro, like any analysis in this zone right now, because it's uncharted, at least for the past year and a half, any analysis we do is macro analysis, right? If we pull this fib, right, from this high to the low, like, this is macro analysis. If we pull the fib from the all-time high to the recent like bear market low, this is all macro analysis. This golden pocket is like 1.2k almost 1.52k, right? So because it's all macro analysis, it is very difficult for you to get those sniper entries like we try to get on this channel. And like I mean, I don't want to toot my own horn, but we get like enough, right? We get it enough for me to be able to talk about it. It's very difficult to do that on when you're doing this like kind of uncharted territory, okay? So with that being said, the best recommendation I have for anybody, and if you know, you know, trade the range, right? Trade the range. Don't be so focused. You got to be focused on where like, how did we get here, for sure, right? Like the move that we had on the way up. But don't be so married to the idea that it has to go down, because the truth is that anybody, myself included, that's been married to the idea that it has to go down has been getting wrecked since the middle of October, okay? It's just been nonstop up. And we've talked about this liquidity a lot, right? We've talked about it many, many times. But it is what it is, right? And so don't be married to it. What do? We play the range. Anytime we get a pump on any time frame, it doesn't really matter, right? We got a little pump here overnight. And you could argue that this was a range. And if you played the range, right? Like, let's pull our box. So this was our initial range, right? We had the drop. We had the high. This was our initial range right here. Right? That was our range. And if you played the range, and you played the range correctly, you saw that we had a deviation of the range, and you could have entered right there. Now, of course, you have to look in market Cipher B, of course. Of course, you got to look at market Cipher B. Of course, you got to know that we're playing the range and all that and get our levels and whatever. But that's kind of what we do, man. You just play the range. And so even this is a way that you can trade even when you've missed such a large move. And I mean, look, guys, look. I have rules. I have for those who are new, potentially. I don't know if you're new, but for the ones that are new, I have a very key market Cipher strategy called the cheat sheet entry. If you don't know, let the others in the chat tell you. Called the cheat sheet entry. And this would have gotten you, arguably, but this could have gotten you into the long right here, right? Based on my cheat sheet entry. I do have videos on my YouTube channel that will explain the cheat sheet entries, but you could have entered, right? And the reason I came up with this strategy with the help of another member in the Discord is because in case you're missing a move, how can you enter the move? This was another cheat sheet entry. And although I was not actually long from here, I did not long it. I wasn't trading yesterday. By the way, guys, I won my court. Let's go. Okay, anyways, not about that. Hey, if you're the cop that tried to convict me. All right. So I was not long from here. I wasn't trading yesterday. I was trying to defend myself and succeeding at defending myself. Thank you very much. But this here was a cheat sheet entry this morning at 9:30, and I did take the long. So I am long. A little bit not of a good entry. That was not even a real sentence, but not a great entry. Somewhere I'm long from somewhere over here. No worries. Nothing crazy. Low leverage, right? Low leverage because I had to be able to cover the low. So no 100xing today, guys. No 100xing today. But it is what it is, man. It is what it is. So we're gonna talk about market Cipher B. We're gonna talk about what can we do now, man. If y'all missed it, look. Swing longs, I think we can all agree at the very least, right? Whether we continue going higher or not, swing longs are out of the question, okay? Anybody that is looking to short can scalp and can, I don't want to say start to build a swing short because we don't know how high it'll go. But if you decided you wanted to swing short, it is acceptable. Swing longs are unacceptable at this point. You are not allowed to buy right now, long right now, and sell in like, you know, a month. You are not allowed to do that. I don't care what anybody says, okay? It's we rallied however much percent this is in the last like 3 months. 50% in the last 2 months. This is not the time to swing long, okay? Let's get rid of our fib. We know it's here, right? And especially when the lows do look ugly, man, we can fall and we can fall quick. We've been talking about it for a long time. So let's build our narrative right now in the long term, okay? Let's start on the daily time frame. I told you, we're going to talk a lot about market Cipher B today. And next week, a lot of my content is going to be based around market Cipher B. All right. Before we do that, guys, make sure you hit the like button. There's 95 of you in here, and there's only 40 likes. So either you guys, half of you guys don't have hands, or you don't like me. And I cannot imagine it's the latter because I give y'all the spice every single day. And I update you guys multiple times in the Discord. Multiple times a day. All right. Let's chat. Okay, daily time frame. We said this a couple days when this green dot was printing. Nothing bearish here, man. Nothing bearish. Money flow is still super, super thick. Thicker than a Snicker. That was the first time I've ever said that. If anybody ever says that again, I want you to hunt me down and kill me. Okay. Thicker than a Snicker. Oh, man. Why did I just do that? All right, listen. It ain't about that, G. All right, okay. Daily looks bullish, man. Nothing really to talk about. The only thing that's bearish looking, again, is the liquidity, right? But we have to take market structure over liquidity, right? Now, I will say this. Since we're on the daily time frame, we're looking for daily SFPs. Let's be real here, guys. We have to be real, okay? This high was a very important high that we put in, and I marked it, right? DSFP. It was the first initial high we put in, very, very important. Okay, very important high. Why is it super important? If you draw your line, you see we SFP'd it once. We SFP'd it twice. We SFP'd it 3 times. And we actually, even yesterday, SFP'd it 4 times. Okay? So this is a strong level, and the bulls, although I don't really like to say the bulls, but the bulls are defending this SFP. Okay? The bulls are absolutely defending their SFP. Now, there's 2 ways to play an SFP. You can either take it from the high and just wait for a close like this, or if you want to be safer, you can staircase your SFPs, which means essentially if we SFP an SFP, we now need to take the new SFP level. How many times can I say SFP in one day? All right, in 1 minute, actually. So if we staircase the SFP, it's currently like this. Now, today's daily candle obviously has not closed yet. So today's daily close is very important, okay? And there are 2 key levels to watch for today's daily close, and we're going to mark them out. Number 1 is yesterday's high. Okay, yesterday's high is very important. Yesterday's high is very important. And this DSFP level. So we know we SFP'd. We can remove that. We don't need that anymore. And the major one is this DSFP level. If we close now, today, below 38,107, I'm gonna be hella bearish. Hold on. Not hella bearish, but bearish enough. One sec, guys. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. Don't act like you don't know what time it is.
Money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money.
I have to mute the F word because I monetized again.
Let's get money, motherfucker, money. Let's get
All right, back to business. B2B, baby, back to business. Okay, so the important days, man, the important levels. Why did I just stutter so much? What the hell was that? Okay, so the important levels. I mean, this is just internal. Don't worry about that. But we're SFPing after SFPing after SFPing after SFPing. If we close a candle, especially above both of these levels, we are so, like, nothing can keep Bitcoin down. It's almost like, guys, if I was going to give an analogy, and I said this yesterday, it's like Bitcoin, like, saw boobs, and it's just going up, if you know what I mean. If you know, you know. If you know, you know, man. Bitcoin is just staring at boobs all day, and so it's just going up. Man, the little head movement goes hard. Should we hit it again? All right, we'll hit it on the next one. Okay, so daily is bullish, right? Minus the SFPs. We got to see. Today's close is super, super important. Super important. Let's hit the head movement again. I want y'all to bob your heads with me. Listen, if I've helped you guys make money in any way, let me see those money bags right now when we hit this. Ready? Let me see those money bags. Show your peers. If y'all like money, let me see the money bag.
money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money. Let's get money.
Yo, y'all vibing with the new music or what? Okay. Okay, all right. Hello from France, bro. What's up, France? Oui, j'allais aux toilettes, bro. Je ne comprends pas. All right. Okay, so daily we've established our narrative, okay? Look. Nothing goes up forever. I'm not saying it's going to go down now. I'm not saying it's going to go down, but nothing goes up forever. So eventually it will come down, guys, okay? Nothing goes up forever, but let's come down lower, right? 8-hour time frame. We got to be objective, man. We got to be objective, okay? 8-hour time frame is putting in yet another bearish divergence, okay? Guys, yesterday in the Discord, I said we could make a game out of this. Count the divs. There are so many divs on this move up. Let me hide the local range CA. There are so many divs, it's not even funny, okay? It is not funny at all. Look how thin, look at how thick money flow was and how relatively to the zero line it is and how much we've gone up, okay? So, damn, we are already at 100 viewers, man. Let's go, baby. Thank you, guys. Listen. Money flow. Look, we're going to be objective. We are schlong, so it doesn't matter, right? Doesn't matter. Money flow, objectively, is bearish, okay? Objectively, it is bearish. Does that mean that we're going to short right now and it's going to come down? No. I want to show you guys how much longer it can go up while still being bearish, okay? Hear me out, okay? Hear me out here. Money flow is the number one thing we pay attention to, okay? This wave we can do something like this. We can come up, in terms of the wave is allowed to come all the way up to, give or take, this line up here, right? This line, while still remaining bearish. This is the 8-hour time frame, guys. So we can go up for another 8, 12, 6, like, we could go up like that, which, how long is that? That's till Monday. We can go up all weekend put a wave up, put a wave in this high, and it will still be a bearish divergence. In case you are new here and you don't know what a bearish divergence is, it is when our momentum waves are giving us a lower high, but the price is making a higher high. And we have divs across this entire range, guys. Entire range. So I just wanted to keep saying, man, I have to say it because we have to be objective. Do not FOMO. Now is not the time. Do not say you're missing it. Do not buy. Now is not the time. In my opinion. If you want to, do whatever you want. But okay. Money flow, we know, is an oscillator in itself, right? VWAP moves like this, momentum waves move like this, and money flow moves like this. So the money flow is allowed to come all the way back up to this level right here. Let's draw the horizontal line. Money flow technically is allowed to come all the way back up here while still remaining bearish, okay? So the reason I'm telling you guys this is, let's just say this clip, let's just say we clip here and we get this div, and once again this divergence does not play out, okay? We don't come down to here. Let's just say it happens again, which it could, man. It's happened like 17,000 times, right? Then what might happen is if we start to get waves like this, right? Money flow may make its way back up. And if money flow does not take this high, it will still remain bearish. And let me show you an example of how this happened, right? Of how this could happen. Let me see if I can find on the lower term time frame. I'm sure it'll be easy. Look, right here, right here. Look at this. So exact same thing on the 8 hour, 4 hour, whatever time frame I was on is happening right now, okay? We have money flow and momentum waves coming down while price was coming up. We didn't really have a decent retracement. Not really, in my opinion. 2% is nothing, right? For a 30-minute div, 2% is not really much. And then now we're starting to get this second wave. Now, this second wave here, if you can see, is almost breaching the high of the previous wave. Now, for the waves, I don't really like to look at the peaks exactly. I like to kind of look at them more in chunks. But what I'm trying to tell you is that you see how the thing came down and then now money is coming back in. Money is allowed to come all the way up to here while still remaining bearish, okay? And that remains the same as the 4 hour, right? And the 8 hour. I think we were on the 8 hour before. 8 hour time frame, right? It remains the same. So my point to this is there's two scenarios in my opinion, okay? Either we clip here, and again, this could take a few days, right? This is the 8 hour time frame. So wherever we decide to clip, something like this happens, money flow continues to the downside because it is more probable that money flow will continue in this trajectory, right? Money flow will continue to the downside, and then we actually start to get our retracement, our real one, and it'll be ugly, guys. When it happens, it will be ugly. We will fall quick when it happens, right? That's option A. Option B, in my opinion, if we are going to keep this move to the upside, the sustained move to the upside somehow, which isn't sustainable in my opinion, but if we're going to keep it up, then we're going to clip. We might come up a little bit. We might continue ranging a little bit. We might dip a little bit. Nothing crazy. Probably wouldn't take this low, right? Because then we would be maintaining our higher lows and higher highs, right? And then while we dance around and do nothing, money starts to come back in and we start to get something like this, where price will continue up wherever it lands, however high it goes in a couple months, I don't know. And then we will have massive money flow divergences over time. And this will be like really, in my opinion, if this were to happen, because these are months, guys, like this takes months to play out. So if we continue and we do another big wave like this, and over the next 3 months, let's just say, I believe that we're going to have a really significant move to the downside. Like, I believe that this move is not sustainable. And so the higher we go in the long term, the worse it is. I think to be a healthy move, we need to have a correction, in my opinion. Okay. So if we continue higher and let's just say we tap 45, 50K, right? 50K or 55K even, I believe that we are really like maybe at the end of our bear market rally. Okay, I would believe that personally, right? 4 hour, I mean, because we know how the 8 hours looking, 4 hours, just half of that. It's kind of the same. We are still looking for the waves. Let's jump down to some other time frames that may give us an indication as to whether or not we're going to continue to the upside. So the 1 hour is pretty interesting because the 1 hour time frame, though it is printing high waves, We are still getting continued divergences. However, Bitcoin is saying, screw your divergences. I don't care. Excuse me. I don't care. But money, okay? What do we know? We follow the money, guys. Money on the 1 hour time frame, similar as this whole range, is also coming out, okay? Money is coming out. And just like I explained, what might happen on the 8 hour time frame is currently happening on the 1 hour time frame. We had the divergences. Money came out. Money came back up. It's not taking the previous high of money flow. And this money flow actually did... It was even with this previous wave. So... this wave, if we start to clip, this could be now when we start to get the, what I have been calling the giga short, okay? So 1 hour is giving us potential for the giga short, right? Let's come to the 30. 30-minute time frame looks like it's got gas, man. I can't lie. The 30-minute time frame money flow is approaching the high of this previous wave, which we just talked about on the 1 hour, right? It is approaching it. However, it has not taken it yet. And if we get the divergence, we can come down to recover this red vector candle. I think a lot of the sentiment today, because it is the first day of a new month especially, today's daily close, if it closes below that, those levels I talked about a few minutes ago, the SFP levels, then I believe that Bitcoin will lose a lot of confluence, because it's not common where Bitcoin SFPs a strong daily level 5 times with money flow divergences and ignores all of it, okay? Ignores all of it. But again, we're going to play the range. We're going to stay objective. Let's come to the 15. 15-minute time frame currently is giving us the money flow divergence locally, as well as potentially the momentum wave divergence. So this lines up with our narrative in that the 30 might bring us down, which will bring the 1 hour down, which will bring the 4 hour down, etc. Let's come to the 10. 10-minute is where we're starting to like really see, all right, man. Look, and again, guys, I'm going to say this, okay? Because a lot of people... I'm mute? You can't hear me? Can you guys hear me? Anyway, I think you guys can hear me. I feel like somebody would have said something a long time ago. Okay. The 10-minute time frame... The 10-minute time frame, guys, it's starting to give us a lot more of a sign. We have the money flow divs, we have the momentum flow divs, or momentum wave divs. Now, the green dot, this just started printing right now, this green dot. But this will line up with our narrative that we may get somewhat of a decent pullback, okay? The 5-minute time frame, we still got money flow coming out. What do we know about that? Money can come as high as here while still giving us divergences. So right now the 5-minute time frame is interesting because the 5-minute, when we had our rejection, gave us the red vector candle, indicating that we may get the move back up to the vector candle, because we know vector candles and we know that's where the money is. Let's draw our fib tool and say, all right, maybe they're just gonna come recover into the golden pocket, which we're in right now, and maybe this is the high. Let's see. Let's come to the 3-minute time frame. 3-minute time frame has thick money flow. My rules when it comes to money flow suggest that we are going to have another move to the upside, which will line up with taking our the vector candles that we left below. So in my opinion, no shorts yet. Yes, we're in the golden pocket. No shorts yet, in my opinion. 1-minute time frame, super thick money flow. Remember, we're starting to look for the divergences. Once we see the divs and we see money flow and momentum wave divs, and if the 10-minute and 5-minute and 15-minute and 30-minute are all looking the way they are, and the 1-minute and the 3-minute and the 5-minute are starting to give us money flow and momentum wave divs, then, okay, that could be the top, right? That could be the top. And so when money flow is thick like this, all I think is, man, we might get another cheat sheet entry. We might come down a little bit. We might come down a little bit, do something like that, right? Maybe put in a hidden divergence, another hidden divergence if we come even lower, and it would be like that. Another hidden div for the next move up, in which case that next move up may give us the bearish divergence, which will actually bring the move to the downside. This is how you have to analyze the market cipher, guys. This is how you have to do it. So I'm gonna read the chat, see what y'all are saying while we check other prices. Let me catch up with y'all. All right, Dak says hit those likes, guys. I could not agree with Dak more, man. I could not agree with Dak. Listen, guys, we got 115 people already in here. Half of you guys have liked it. Listen, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. And if you're new here, you guys know, or if you're returning, you guys know, I give you all the heat multiple times a day and in the Discord, and I live stream for you guys every day. So make sure you guys hit the like so we can help spread the word And we'll see, man. Let's see how high Bitcoin is going. Guys, what's your narrative? Are we going to hit 40K? When we get a third wave of divergence, but money flow is still coming up and is thick, is that a short you can take? It is a short that you can take. BTC completely faded, confirmed bear divs this morning. I'm telling you, bro. Bitcoin has been ignoring bear divs for 3 months, but hey, Bitcoin can do whatever Bitcoin wants. You can't wait till these longs finally get their punishment. I agree with you, man. And it's going to be a big, nasty drop. It's going to be a minus 20% day or week. And everyone is going to question their life. And everyone's going to lose everything that they made on this way up. 2024, yes, we can. You can hear me. Okay, beautiful. Hey, Gio, there's a decent sized bearish order block on the 3-minute time frame. Let's check the 3-minute time frame. Where are we looking? Because we're at the high right now. I don't see any order blocks. Where are we looking, sir? Maybe the 2? Did you mean 2? Oh, we are in a 2. This is a 2-minute order block. Not really. This isn't really a 2-minute order block, if I'm being honest with you. Not really. Not based on my rules, anyway. But anyways, guys, look. You know, this could be the top. This could be. We're going to see. Look, we are going to see. And if we miss the move, just like if we, like this morning or yesterday, I missed the moves because I was in court. How do we enter, guys? Does anyone know the answer to that? SFPs, or not SFPs, my goodness. Cheat sheet entries, guys. Cheat sheet entries. That is how you enter. That is how you enter. Happy Friday, guys. Listen. Y'all know I gotta do this too, guys. Hey, listen, if you guys need an exchange to trade on, Mexi is the best exchange in the game. It is the cheapest on fees, 0.0% maker fee, 0.02% taker fee. If you don't know what that means, you shouldn't be trading. But if you do know what that means, then you know that you're trading for basically free. Guys, we do. And I'm going to show you guys in the Discord so you guys know I'm not playing. Okay? So you guys know I'm not playing. I give you guys exact levels. I give you guys video updates. I do this multiple times a day. Okay? Multiple times a day. And when we're at those levels, I tell you guys what I'm seeing, right? Look at this. Yes, Bitcoin failed to close the daily above 5 times now. So I give you guys updates many times. And it's not often. I mean, it's not often. It's not uncommon. Okay? It's not uncommon that I give you guys exact, like, sniper. This was a huge range, but exact levels. And if you don't take my word for it, no problem. Take anyone else in the Discord's word for it. Come in the Discord and ask them. They'll be able to tell you. Okay? So I trade with very high leverage. I trade like 100x. Okay? And people think I'm crazy for doing that. And I think that you're crazy for not doing that, because I'm disciplined enough to know exactly where my exit is. I'm disciplined enough to know exactly where my invalidation is. And that allows me to trade with 100x leverage. Of course, while still maintaining proper risk management. Okay? Leverage ain't shite. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all need an exchange to trade on and you want to help support me for free, guys, I do this every day for you. I stream for you every day, and I give you guys the sauce every single day. So it's a free way for you to support me. It's not more money for you, and you get to trade, and we get to all make money together, and it's a win-win-win-win-win across the board. And to be honest with you guys, man, the money either comes in my pocket or it goes in Mexi's pocket, and I can spend it better than them. So I appreciate everybody that helps support me in the channel. Guys, hit the likes button. Let me see what y'all are saying. Golden nuggets. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Joe, can we do some analysis on Blur? I have absolutely no idea what Blur is. You guys are funny, man. Y'all are so funny with your with your coins, man. I come in the Discord all the time. You guys are talking about some next coin, and I'm like, how do you even see that? How do you even know that? All right, let's start on the high term time frame on Blur. Blur, and guys, listen, for altcoins, I have to say this, man, because I feel like a lot of people don't remember this. First of all, Toasted Bagel, yes, I absolutely use a stop loss. The #1 rule is always have a stop loss. I have videos indicating the differences between position size and margin and whatever. So if you come over to the YouTube and you come to this video, leverage doesn't matter. Watch this video, okay? Watch this video. I'm gonna do this. Dak, can you pin that, because I can't when the stupid thing is in the way. Watch that video, and that will explain to you basically what I'm saying here. But listen, guys, I need to say this, especially for the new people. When you're trading altcoins in potentially altcoin season, which I would say this is kind of altcoin season. Not kind of, I mean, it is. When dominance is high, as it is, okay? And to be honest, dominance hasn't even started falling. Once dominance falls, if Bitcoin is sustaining its price, alts will fly, okay? So, I mean, some alts are already making a big move and they're already flying. But in general, like Bitcoin dominance is not even going down yet. Wait for dominance to go down. And so right now, as is, the entire market will follow Bitcoin. That's the truth. The truth is if Bitcoin goes down 5%, your alts will go down 10%, right? If Bitcoin goes up 5%, your alts will go up 10%, 20%, right? So everything I say in regards to alts, please take with a grain of salt. Just saying. All right, let's start here on the daily. So daily time frame. Yes, we have this massive divergence. We've recovered some of the vector candle. We are expecting a pullback, I would say relatively soon on Bitcoin. And so if that happens, I do imagine Blur will come down and recover the rest of this vector candle. I actually consider this is probably going to be an order block on a lower term time frame based on my rules. Let's take a look. Actually, even a tighter one. Right here is your order block. So I'm actually going to set an alert here myself so I can potentially take her up. We'll see. We're gonna write 18 OB, and we know we got an 18 order block right here. 18-hour order block. 18. We'll just write 18. Sure, H, whatever. So we know we have an order block here, right? Cool. Let's go on lower term time frames and let's see what Blur might do. So Blur is giving us the red dot. I mean, it's kind of just at this order block here, kind of just chilling. I think it's just waiting for Bitcoin, if I'm being completely honest with you. The 3-hour looks not good. 3 hours is a good indication that actually Blur might make its way down to this next order block, okay? But we're going to keep analyzing. So 3 doesn't look great. 2 doesn't look too great. We'll see, man. We have to follow market structure. If we start to close candles below, I would say this low that we put in, then we're very likely to come to at least this low. And then if we break this low, then we're definitely coming to the 18 order block. Let's come to the 1 hour. 1 hour money flow is increasing, but price is not really doing anything. And so we need to be cautious because this is where people will long, right? Based on like Crypto Faces is what's it called? Why am I stuttering so much? Crypto Faces basic strategy, right? Like money flow increasing over time, and you catch this a trigger wave, right? You get this trigger wave. This exactly where we are right now is where people get tripped up, right? People don't really know how to use this indicator. People don't know how to read it. And what will happen is people will see this and say, all right, we're printing the green dot. Or worse, if we even print it, but we don't confirm it, they'll hit the long button and then they'll get wrecked, potentially, right? So I don't know, man. I have kind of like market Cipher intuition. And although this can come back up, as of right now, I'm not convinced based on the 1 hour. Let's come to the 30. The 30 minutes looking a little bit better because money flow is actually crossing into the green. So, I mean, we'll see. We'll see, right? It all depends on these lows, guys. It all depends on these lows. And I'm going to be honest with you. Did we purge liquidity here at all? Did we take this low? No, we didn't. So, I actually believe... I think we might come for the low again. I think we might come and take this low. If I'm being honest with you. I think it's a possibility. I don't know. I also don't know how this coin moves, guys. So, everything I take also take with a grain of salt. But, I mean, this was super bullish looking, right? We have money flow increasing while momentum moves are increasing while we make the move to the downside. So, perhaps if we're thinking of Wyckoff, then this would have been tap 1. This would have been tap 2, and then this would have been tap 3, potentially. But I'm not a super expert on Wyckoff, so I'm still learning that. Yeah, Dak, that's kind of all I really got to say about it. I don't know, man. Again, I don't really trade this coin. I would watch the order blocks. You've seen the Bootcamp. As of now, the only order block that I see remaining on a large time frame is this order block up here. This one has already been mitigated, so unless there's something that we're missing in these zones that we let's come on lower term time frames. No, that purged all of the order blocks. Yeah, so this order block we're not interested in, right? We already mitigated it, and to make our way up here is honestly, I would say as of now, again, it depends on Bitcoin, but I would say kind of unlikely. like, look, we have this liquidity curve that we could come to for sure. And so if we actually come up to this 18 order block that has not been mitigated, then I would say we're probably going to slowly break above it because we have all this liquidity, or we might come to the high of this order block as opposed to coming to the low of it because we do have that liquidity. Let's see if we have any order blocks. Let me pull my order block. No, I'm too lazy to do that. Let's zoom in. Let's see. This was purged. All right, let's see if we can find any smaller order blocks here that have not been mitigated. And I'm not really... this one right here. Okay, so this one makes sense to me. This one makes sense to me. Oh, actually, no, it was mitigated. Never mind. Continuing on. And guys, you know, when you're looking at your order blocks and whatever, I mean, you guys know, for the ones that's like the boot camp, y'all know, I have specific rules that I like to implement. All right, man, I'm gonna be honest with you. This is the only order block left is this little baby 3-minute order block. Let me check the 2. Okay, let's check the 5. Maybe on the 10. Guys, this is the only order block left. So if we were to make it our way up, I would be keeping my eye on this one here. Let's get out of replay mode. Yeah, I would definitely keep my eye up here for sure. There's also a good confluence up here with the vector candle too. So Dak, if you want these, remember, we got to be careful when we're talking about like refined zones like this, but I will set an alert here. I will set an alert here. And if you want the coordinates for this box, right there, 6209 and 6230. And then for the larger 18-hour order block, we got 6285 and 5940. And listen, Dak, I'm gonna leave this up to you, bro. I'm gonna leave this up to you. When we get here, if I'm not paying attention, you need to tell me because because I'm probably not gonna pay attention to it. I'll set alerts, but you need to tell me when that happens, if that happens, okay? That's gonna be the deal. All right, guys, listen, you know what time it is, man. You guys know every stream. You guys know every single stream I gotta leave for 5 minutes. You already know. If you guys know what I'm doing, make sure you hit the like button and drop those emojis for me. When I come back, I will look at Algo because somebody asked for Algo. Let me check the chat real quick before I go. ETH BTC, we'll do that after as well. You don't think you could pin? Okay, let me pin it. Do I have my own? Why can't I swear you should be able to pin? Anyways, that's fine. I'll pin it. Okay. What's an order block? Toasted Bagel. I have an entire bootcamp on order blocks. So if you're interested in the bootcamps, make sure you head over to the Discord. The link is in the description down below. And DM myself or one of the mods, and we'll give you information on it. Okay, guys, I'm going to be back in 5 minutes. Y'all know what I got to do. Drop the emojis of what I'm doing. I'll be back in 5 minutes. You already know I'm the most efficient duty caller, we'll say, in the entire planet. I'll be right back. And when we come back, we'll talk about Algo. And I will load it up right now so I don't forget from my dog here. We'll do this one. Okay? Be right back, guys. Give me the emojis. Y'all know. Guys. What'd I tell you? What did I tell you? The most efficient in the game, baby. How long was that? Yo, next time, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna start doing this. Next time, y'all are gonna start timing me from when I'm off screen and when I'm back on screen. Because, hello, the most efficient in the game. All right, guys, let's talk Algo. Algorand. All right, let's start on the 18. Let's see what we see, man. Let's see what we see here. Again, remember. So Algo actually looks super bullish. I gotta be honest with you. Looks super bullish on the 18. Let's come on the daily. Remember, guys, everything is gonna follow Bitcoin. So keep your attention on Bitcoin. We do have an unmitigated. Oh, actually, this was mitigated. Interesting. Very interesting. All right, we have an unmitigated order block up here. Okay, so unlike Bitcoin, you guys like my mouth trumpet? Okay, unlike Bitcoin, Algorand isn't really putting in the divergences the way that Bitcoin is and that we would like to see for a move to the downside. So Algo is actually pretty bullish, I have to say. Algo is looking pretty good, I must say. Anyway, so first unmitigated order block we have is up here at 1610. By the way, guys, I want you to do me a favor. And it's not really for me, it's more for you. If you don't know what I'm doing in terms of my order blocks, if you didn't take my bootcamp, then you don't know. I do not want you to go on YouTube, look up order blocks, and then apply those rules and call it a day. No. What you don't see is I have specific rules for my order blocks, okay? I have specific rules. That's all I'm gonna leave it at that. I have specific rules. So do not mock what I'm doing. And don't YouTube it and then learn and then do it. No. I have my own rules. I got my own rules. All right. Let's bring this higher so y'all can see the price. All right, so here we got D. Here we got D. Here we got D. So we got some order blocks that we're potentially coming up to. Okay? We got some order blocks. I do like this one up here at 22. I have to say that. Let's come down. Let us come down. This is also an 18. This is also an 18. We got quite a bit here, man. We got quite a bit of order blocks. I don't really like the 18s if I'm being real. I like this one. I really like this level here. I really like that. I do like that one a lot, man. And then for this one, I like this. I do like up here. Okay. I'm not going to go too refined. I like those. I like those. Let's come on the 4. Let's see what we see. No. Nah. I'm not gonna go more refined up there. Okay, one more thing. I'm gonna check the 8, and then I'll give you guys my narrative here. Oh, interesting. Not too pleased about that though. Yeah. Okay. All right. So Algo. Let's start on the daily. So Algorand looks. I don't even know how to say. Is it Algo or Algo? I have no idea. We'll call it this thing. Does look very bullish. Okay. It looks very, very bullish on the daily time frame. What is this? Who wants the White Phoenix course for the low and market Cipher for the low? You're selling both. Candles, please do not sell things here. Please do not sell things here. If my name on it, if my name ain't on it, don't do it. Can't trust it, man. You can't trust people. Cannot trust people. High five, Andrew, my dog. Thank you, man. I love that. Okay, so daily time frame looks bullish, all right? We do have a couple order blocks. I wouldn't say I'm too crazy about this low one. If I'm being honest, I very much prefer this one, right? I really prefer this one here. Yeah, I kind of actually, you know, you could even extend this like up to here. This is probably like a weekly order block or something. Yeah, man, this whole is a weekly order block. So I really prefer this range. Like really prefer up here. Now this is a huge range. It's a weekly order block, but I very much prefer this. Let's see if we can lower it. No. Okay. I'm gonna actually move my alert down. This is a weekly order block, okay? And I'm gonna move my alert here as well. And we'll go one more. Okay. So I very much prefer this. I think if Bitcoin will sustain its move to the upside, we are going, like, I'm not really too keen on these. I gotta be honest with you. I'm not too crazy about them. This one is hell yeah. Hell yeah. I really like this one. Why? Well, I'll tell you why. First of all, we have a lot of liquidity that was built up right here. So people have their stop losses. People have stop losses here. People have stop losses here, stop losses here, stop losses here. And I mean, it's not the sexiest kind of curve here, but nonetheless, for my rules, which I'm not going to go over, but on top of the fact that we have a huge fair value gap right here that we're very likely to fill, especially if we come and grab this liquidity, I very much prefer this zone. So I will say it looks bullish. I will say that if Bitcoin continues its move to the upside, or if it moves sideways, remember guys, alt season, okay, alt season is when Bitcoin has rallied massively, which it has, and then Bitcoin starts to go sideways, right? For Bitcoin to go sideways, Bitcoin can go all the way down to 30K and still technically be going sideways in this like kind of larger range, give or take, right? I'm not going to draw it perfectly right now, but give or take, if you have your range, right? This is a range, okay? And we'll do it on the 6 hour so it looks a little bit better, right? Bitcoin can come all the way down here and we'll still be in the range, right? If we draw our fixed volume profile, right? This is a range, okay? And so if Bitcoin starts to fall while Bitcoin dominance starts to fall, yes, the alts will bleed. The alts will 100% bleed when Bitcoin comes down, and it comes down a lot. Like I said, if Bitcoin goes down 5%, your alts will go down 10, 15% easy right now. But when Bitcoin starts to grab some legs and just starts going sideways, if dominance starts to drop, that is when your alts will fly, because Bitcoin had a very large move to the upside. And smart money, guys, does not stay still, okay? Smart money is moving constantly. And so the profits from Bitcoin come out of Bitcoin and move into alts. And that's when alt season move. And that's when Ethereum will get its relative to Bitcoin move, in my opinion. Right, that's kind of how it works. Bro, can Bitcoin come to retest 38.6? Okay, so we're going to come back to Bitcoin in just a second here. So when we enter an order block, do you look for divs anywhere within the order blocks? There are rules to it, but ideally, yeah, you would be looking for divergences. There are rules to it. All right. Sartak Singh says that is asking, sorry, can Bitcoin come back to 38.6? I'm assuming he's short from 38.6, he or she. And I will answer that question. But before I answer that question, we have 120 people in here. We only have 92 likes. And we are overextended on the party. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to stop the TA because I want 100 likes. So if you haven't liked the video, like the video. I'm going to stop the TA until I get what I want, which is my likes. And we're going to hit our daily party because that's what we do, baby. So we're going to pause this. We're going to press play on this. I'm gonna wait for the likes to come in. I'm gonna put on the party shades. You know what? Let's do these ones. I'm gonna put on the party shades. I'm gonna wait for the likes to get to 100. And then we'll continue talking about Bitcoin. And we'll come down to lower term time frames, and I'll tell you with my very fast speech what I think is gonna happen. But until we got 100 likes, you know what? I want more. Give me 110 likes. 110 likes, and I will continue the sauce for you only at 110 likes. In the meantime, it's party time, guys. If I've helped make you money, moth to a flame, let me see those fire emojis if I've ever helped make you money for absolutely free. You guys know I give you guys free value. Let me see the money bags, baby. Let me see the fire emojis. Let me see 110 likes.
It's true, but does he
know you call me when
he sleeps? But does he know that it's just that you keep? But does he know your heart?
110 likes, guys. 110.
Does he know the reason that you cry? Oh,
Tell me, does he know where your
where it truly lies.
fire emojis, guys, like a moth to a flame? Just like a moth to a flame, I want to see those fire emojis. Your boy is asking, can Bitcoin come back to 38.6? He might be short, and his money might be on the line. No TA until I have 110 likes.
For you, and he makes you feel
Fire
like
emojis,
you
fire
should.
emojis, fire
And
emojis,
all
fire
your
emojis.
friends say he's the one. His love for you is true. But does he know you call me when he sleeps? But does he know the pictures that you keep? Does he know the reason that you cry? Oh, tell me, does he know where your heart lies? Where it truly lies.
Let's go! Giant head and shoulders on the chart, baby. One more like, guys. There we go. There we go. Tell me, does he know where your heart? All right, guys. Thank you guys for that. Listen, man. Listen. If you guys like, oh wait, hold on. Let's press play here again. If you guys like the video, then I don't have to force you guys. See? Just like it at the beginning, man. All right. No, you did not miss the VIP code. Let's do the VIP code real quick, guys. Let's do the VIP code real quick for y'all, okay? VIP code, baby. VIP code. So, guys, if you're new here, welcome. Turning, welcome back. If you don't know, guys, my VIP section in my Discord is completely free. Join. The link is in the description down below, okay? I give you guys a free VIP section. How does it work? Every video I post or every live stream, I give you guys a 4-digit code. You come to the top here at my GeoBot on the top right, and you DM him the 4-digit code. The 4-digit code for this stream, what is it? I don't even know what it is 1604. So come here, type 1604, hit the enter button, and you will get a message from GeoBot that says you have been granted access to Geo's private channel. Okay? My VIP updates, I'll give you guys multiple updates per day. I give you guys video updates as well, right? 3-minute, 2-minute, nothing for YouTube, only for the VIP members. So make sure you join. And what happens is every video that I post, I purge you. So I remove everybody from VIP and I give you guys a new code. Okay? Now you may get purged once a day. You might get purged twice a day. I don't know. When I live stream, I purge. And then if I post another video tonight, which I'm not because I'm DJing tonight, then you get purged. So you can get purged up to twice a day. If you don't want the inconvenience of having to watch the live streams and having to watch the whatever. You're busy, you got work, you got kids, I understand. You can, if you choose to, Pay a monthly fee to enter into my VIP, where you do not get purged and you do not need to send the codes. Okay? So, the VIP code is... Guys, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I don't know. I don't know who has an ad right here. I just pressed the ad button to try it. So, you know, I'm gonna wait 30 seconds because I don't know if you guys can even see this or not. Woo, baby! I love seeing the fire emojis, man. I love seeing that. Y'all are fun, man. Y'all make my job real fun. Real fun. All right. Why are you guys typing the code? Why are you guys typing the code? First of all, the code is not even right. Everybody that's typing the code right now is not even right. Please don't type the code here. By the way, one last thing. Codes in general. Yeah. Don't type it in general, guys. Oh, man. Where are my mods at? Oh, my days. I should remind you guys. Guys, do not post the code in general. Do not post the code in new Geodudes. You have to DM my bot the code. Anybody that drops the code in general gets booted, or any on public channels gets booted, and it says it here in the instructions. Where did I say it? I said it somewhere. Anyways, don't do it. Please don't do it. Okay, don't type the code here. Don't type it in general. Only DM my Geobot. Okay, only DM my Geobot. And also for future, I will be doing giveaways. And the winner of the giveaway is going to be the first person that enters the VIP role. Okay, so we got 28 already. Okay, I'm not doing a giveaway for this one, but we got 28 already, but I can see who does it first. Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah, I did just show you an ad, Jerry. It was my first, man. It was my first one. Listen, I celebrated this week. This week was a good week, man. I did not get convicted for my handheld device. I took it to trial, and your boy won. And I got remonetized on YouTube. So this week was a good week, man. This week was a good week. I'm evil. I'm like, the VIP code is, and then bang. Okay. All right, let's talk about Bitcoin, man. Let's talk about Bitcoin, guys. All right, man. Let's come back. Okay, let's come locally. So, guys. Listen. When you miss a move, what do? Right? We just play the range, man. We just play the range. When we were up here, 900, I was saying, right, this... we might come up. We recovered 50% of this vector candle, and this might be kind of a top, guys. It might be, right? But let's just say, even right now, let's just say you're not in any trade, or you want to know, like, what do you do, right? What can you do now? How do you play this? What do we do? Let me show you what we do. Okay, you do your macro top-down analysis, right? How do you do that? I'm not gonna go over that. That is a boot camp for another day. But you do your top-down analysis on a lower term time frame. And guys, I tell you all the time, all you do is you play the range. Okay? Where is our range? I have very specific rules for how to identify a range. This is a valid range, right? And I have to say this, guys. Look, on the 4-hour time frame, you could say that this whole thing is a range, and it is. But you can pull ranges literally anywhere, okay? This could be a range, and you can play this range the exact same way that you would play a 4-hour range. Okay, so what do? We identify our range. We pull our volume profile, right? We have our value area low. We have our point of control, and we have our value area high. What do we do when we're at these levels? When we're at a value area low, we look for longs. When we're at value area high, we look for shorts, okay? In addition to that, you could split your range into 5 sections, or 4 sections. 5 lines, 4 sections. What are these sections? They are, if I turn on my labels for you. Right? So these are percentages. Okay, just like a normal fib, 0.5, 25, 50. We're not using it as a fib. We're using it to identify the range. And so, when you're at premium pricing, you're looking for shorts. When you're at super premium pricing, you're definitely looking for shorts. When you're at discount, you're looking for longs. And when you're at super discount, you're looking for longs. Okay? So, with this knowledge, right, we have our value area, our fixed volume, sorry, and we had our value area low confluence with our super discount part of the range, zone of the range, and we dip down into it. Okay, so if you're trading ranges, if you're playing ranges, right, let's just say you think that price is going to go down from here on a more macro, but you're trying to scalp it. Well, now is not the time to short because we're at value area low and we're at the discount part of the range. If you don't want to do 5 lines, you can split it up into 2. So you can just do the 50 line. And so you can say, this is premium, and this is discount. Okay? So if you're scalping and you're trying to take a scalp down to this zone, is now the place to short it? No, because you just play the range, man. Literally just play the range. So what happens now is we're going to keep our eye on value areas, right? We're going to keep our eye on market cipher and what we're looking at those times. We know that the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences we can get. So we know that this could clip, not is going to clip, it could clip. So let's just say it clips and it does this, gives us another divergence. It comes up, hits into our premium part of the range, perhaps takes out this high, recovering the rest of this vector candle. Could even SFB the high again. We don't know yet, right? And then this is where you would look for shorts. And if you believe long term, the 1 hour, for example, is bearish, then you could say, all right, I'm going to hang on to my shorts and potentially turn that into a swing trade. And that's how you can turn your scalps into swing trades. So for my boy that asked if Bitcoin can come back down to 38.6 or whatever, it absolutely can. 100% it can. But what I would recommend is simply, bro, just play the range, man. And look, what do we know about range theory in general? Let's remove the 50 line. What do we know about range theory in general? In general, when we have a range, what happens typically is Bitcoin or any other asset will, remember, the market is moved based on liquidity. So what happens? Market makers attack your liquidity. Anybody that's long in this zone has their stop right here. Okay. And anybody that is short in this zone has their stop here. Simple. And so what do they do typically with a range is they'll put in the high, they'll put in the low, they'll continue to range. They will at some point deviate the low, come back in, deviate the high, come back in. And when that happens, we extend our range because they deviated those zones. And it is as simple as that. Does it happen every time? No. Can we just fall straight to 0 from here? Technically, yeah. Is it probable? Definitely not. Right? But that's how you play a zone. That's it. And so you guys just do that, man. You literally just do that. Brandon says, double congrats. Thank you, man. Double thank you, bro. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Guys, whoever's new in the Discord, man, welcome. Welcome to you guys. Please do not send the code. In general, please do not send the code in any channel. Don't do it, man. You'll get banned. You will get banned. My moderators have instruction to ban people. They're reasonable. If you're new and you don't know and you did it, it's fine. But, like, please don't do it. God, bro, you miss the code every time, man. What's wrong with you, man? What time is it? 1 o'clock? Oh, and yes, somebody asked. Yes, I do DJ, bro. I do. I DJ weddings, I DJ birthdays, corporate events, holiday parties. Today's a holiday party. We're gonna get our Christmas on. Okay, so BTCZ, based on what we just said, if we're going to trade this range, which we can absolutely scalp the range, every single range is scalpable. Right now, it's looking like, look, we're getting the 5-minute or the 2-minute potential cheat sheet entry. I'm not going to call it one specifically. I don't like to say that there's a 2-minute cheat sheet entry. It's kind of a low time frame, and that ain't super groovy. But the 5-minute time frame definitely has money flow coming in and definitely could clip the green dot, recovering the rest of this vector candle. What do we know about green dots with market cipher? When you see a green dot, you look to the left and you find the red vectors. When you see a red dot, you look to the left and you find the green vectors and the blue vectors, right? We know that they can, like, there's liquidity here, right? In a green vector candle, market makers are building their shorts in order to realize a return. In a red vector candle, they are building their longs in order to realize a return. So in order for the market maker to long, someone has to short. Who's shorting in this candle? In the red candle, who's shorting? You are. Retail is shorting, and only for them to then snap the price back up. So right now, the 5-minute range suggests that we might come higher. We're probably going to come higher, probably going to take this high. You know, recover some of this. We might take this high, not probably. We'll see, right? We'll see. And you just build your confluence, man. You just build your confluence. You get your range. We got our range. We got our fixed volume profile. You can, if you choose to. If you're into fibs and all that. I need to move this here because I keep misclicking. Right? Oh, look at that. We have a nice, beautiful confluence. The golden pocket with the value area high, right? So you might get a short there. You might get a short. Do we have any daily levels? Do we have any other levels there? I don't know. We're in uncharted territory, so it's a little bit difficult. A little bit difficult, but that's short idea 1 if you're super scalping it. Long idea 1, we kind of already missed it because we were chatting, but you know, right here, I would definitely look for a short up here. Am I going to short the point of control on a super short time frame like this? Hell no, baby. Hell no. On a small range like this? No way. But am I going to look for shorts here? Yes. Am I going to look for shorts if we SFP the high here? Yes. And this is scalping, guys, okay? I don't want you to come back later, especially the ones that are going to watch it later. I do not want you to come and say, oh, wow, Geo shorted from 38.9 and now price is at 50K. Ha ha ha, you're an idiot. No, I'm scalping, guys. I'm in and out. All right, guys, listen. I needed 110 likes, and that was like 30 minutes ago, and we're only at 119. So you all hurting my feelings, man. If you guys haven't hit the like button already, I do this every single day for you guys. Hit the like button, please, and thank ya. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Ice, ice, baby. All right, guys, let's see if we can get this short together, okay? I don't really tell you when I'm taking the shorts, but I'm gonna tell you this time. I'm gonna get my wands at the ready, okay? And we're gonna go live. We're already live, but we're gonna talk live. We're gonna discuss what we want to see and what's happening live is what I meant to say. Okay, that is absolutely what I meant to say. So now we're gonna just wait. Now we just gotta wait. You gotta be patient. Sip the Kool-Aid. Don't have ants in your pants. Chill out. Boom, 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 boom. Guys, today's stream is gonna be a little bit shorter because I gotta get ready for my gig later. And your boy's getting back in the gym, man. Your boy's getting back in the gym. My treadmill that they broke, stupid, is they're giving me a new one, so that should come in a few days. And yeah. So we're gonna hit the gym today. We're gonna DJ today. And until that happens, man, let's see what happens when we're up here. Get ready, guys. I'm getting ready right now. I am ready. And we are gonna hit the 5-second. We are gonna do the 5-second strategy for this. We're gonna test it. Do you wanna lick my A? Do you wanna A? Do you wanna? So on MEXC, guys, MEXC's chart looks a little bit different. I'm not going to show you because then you'll see my positions. But MEXC, the golden pocket is actually a little bit closer than these wicks. So on Bybit, we wicked out a little bit more. Okay, so I will actually be looking to take this high, potentially. We'll see. We will see. We'll do it together. Nothing yet. Sit on your hands. Do not get excited here. Okay? Do not get excited. If we take this high and we potentially tap into the 786, I will definitely look to short because what do we know? We got money coming out and we would have had a divergence. Actually, to be honest, the best divergence right now would be SFPing the high. But let's see what happens. Do I have a video about which time charts are the best for each? So people teach you market cipher B. And people say have an environmental time frame, have an executional time frame. I am like Neo from the Matrix, where I am one with market cipher and I'm one with the charts, and I use all time frames, and I'm in the multiverse. I run the multiverse. So to answer your question, I don't really have a suggestion because I use all time frames, but I would, for beginners, recommend getting an executional time frame and an environmental time frame. But go look at any of my market cipher videos. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. This month, I'm going to very heavily be focusing on market cipher content for you guys. And I got a lot of tips and tricks, man. And for those that want to take their market cipher to the next level, I do have a boot camp available that I did last week or 2 weeks ago. It is available. And if you're interested in the boot camp, it's 3.5 hours long. And there's a hell of a lot of value in there. It's complicated, but I do teach you how to be Neo from the Matrix as I am. So if you're interested in that, make sure you click the link, or make sure you join the Discord and DM either myself or one of the moderators, and we'll give you information on the boot camps. All right, health, wealth, and knowledge of self. Fire name. I feel like I've read that before, and I said fire name before. It says, Gio, your vids are packed with mad knowledge. What's up with purchasing the boot camp? I just said it, man. So head over in the head over to the boot camp. Or my goodness, what's wrong with me today? Head over to the Discord and DM either myself or one of the moderators, and they'll give you information on it. But basically, I have 3 boot camps right now. Each one, I have market structure and order blocks. Those are 2 separate ones. Those are each 3 hours. And then I have market cipher B and time frames, which is 3.5 hours. And hey, listen, don't take my word for it, guys. Listen, anybody that's in the chat right now, if you've taken the boot camps, let them know how it is. Don't take my word for it. And if you also want to know how it is, come over to the Discord bootcamp channel, bootcamp testimonials. You can read it all here. They'll tell you. You know, I've taken a lot of Gio's boot camps, and he dropped so much knowledge. I believe I can master it. Gio for president. Cool. Right? Jam with knowledge. Gio's the king of market cipher B, and he gave the challenge to teach us. Guys, I've been staring at market cipher B, okay? I've been staring at this indicator for 3 years, and I gave you 3 years of knowledge of me learning and me figuring it out. 3 years staring at this thing, all in 3 hours, okay? So I 100% think it's going to be super beneficial to you if you decide that you want to check it out. But again, don't take my word for it, because I'm biased. Come over to the Discord and check it. Let's make sure that nobody is dropping any codes. All right, guys, the VIP code for the bootcamp, if you're interested in joining, it's completely free. Links in the description down below. The VIP code, God, I'm talking to you. Hold on. God, I am talking to you. Wait, what is the code again? I don't remember. Okay, God, I don't want to hear that you didn't hear it. I stopped the music. I made my face big for you. I'm looking right in your eyes, okay? I swear, if you say, what's the code, bro? I'm flying to India and I'm beating your ass, all right? Are you here? 1604, okay? Come to the Discord, top right. Do not put it in the chat. Do not put it in any chat. You'll get banned. Type 1604 to the GeoBot, okay? God? Don't tell me you didn't hear it. Don't tell me that. I freaking stopped the show for you, man. Tell me that you heard it. You didn't hear it. I'm flying to India, bro. What are my thoughts on Fu Manchu? Man, I've covered this many times. Basically, this is my thoughts on Fu Manchu, bro. Let's pull it up. I'm not even going to tell you my thoughts. I'm going to show you my thoughts. The money... Okay, the holy grail of market cipher V is the money flow. Okay, money flow is the holy grail. Fu Manchu's money flow is so different. So different. I have experience with market cipher B. I do not have experience with Fu Manchu, but I can tell you that market cipher B is king, money flow is king, and this money flow, it doesn't even... Excuse me, it doesn't even compare. Like, I shouldn't even need to elaborate. Just look on screen. Like, it's green here, it's red here. It's super thick green here. It's not thick at all here. Right? So, my opinion, you can get away with using free versions, and you can get away with using things like Fu Manchu. I don't recommend it, but you technically could, in theory. But I wouldn't I wouldn't put too much emphasis on the money flow, but we do know that money flow is king. So I know I'm contradicting myself. If you can afford Market Cipher, I believe it's 100% worth it. But if you can't, then you could probably get away with using free versions, especially because I give you guys my updates and, you know, and other things. So that's kind of my opinion on it. All right. Oh, he got it already? Well, he's not in chat. He's awfully quiet now. Right, he was loud. He was barking when he didn't have the code. Now that he got what he wanted, he's quiet. He's just like a woman. Except women don't actually be quiet. Would love to meet you if I'm in India. Listen, perhaps one day I will do a Market Cipher world tour. No, it won't be. It won't be a world tour. But yeah, man, maybe. I've never planned to come to India. I'll be honest. I have absolutely zero interest in coming to India. But if I ever somehow wake up in India, maybe I have a good night. Maybe I have a nice party night and I wake up in India. I will for sure let you guys know in the Discord. Yeah, no worries, G Money. When I get a sweep of liquidity, do I wait for a change of character? So it's recommended to. People will say wait for the close, whatever. Because I've been staring at Market Cipher for 3 years. And because I'm Neo from the multiverse. Or I'm Neo and I'm Doctor Strange from the multiverse, let's just say. I don't wait for it. I can like confidently, if it's not a super fast wick, I can pretty, not frequently, I don't want to say frequently, but I can short or long with like a $20 stop loss on Bitcoin. I have done that before. I've actually taken a live long, I've taken a long live on stream on YouTube with a $10 stop loss, and I told you guys that, and that ended up being a swing long. Man, ETH, BTC dominance. Everyone is bullish on ETH. Yours thoughts? Okay, let's see. I don't really check these charts, if I'm being honest with you. Isn't it BTC ETH? Wouldn't you do BTC ETH, or is it supposed to be ETH BTC? Does it matter? I'm gonna be honest, guys. I don't really check these, but let's see. Wait, okay. Guys, excuse me for not knowing. I do apologize because I actually don't really check these kind of like these paired against each other. Actually, I'll come back to this. Let me just make sure I have an alert here. Oh, okay. We're gonna come back to that, man. We're gonna come back to that because we're out our zone. Okay, 1 minute money flow right now is looking actually good for a short. Let's see if we can come up a little bit higher. I do want to come up a little bit higher. I want to at least touch the value area high here, but I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna get ready. See if we can make our way up here. 5 second is also looking good for the short from this zone as of right now. Where's the value area high? Okay, so let's see. 1 minute's looking good. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest. I prefer to take this high. I do prefer to take the high, but let's see. I think we're gonna come up again. I think we're gonna at least tap here. Few more dollars, guys. Few more dollars. Okay, we're tapping value area high. Let's come to the 5. Let's check 5. 5 is looking like it might not stop. I'm gonna be honest. 3 is looking like it's probably not gonna stop either. 2 minute is looking not great for what we want to see either. 1 minute is giving us potential. This might be a very quick scalp. It might not be like a huge move to the downside, like to the low of the range. But let's keep looking at what we see here. 1 minute time frame is giving us the golden nugget technically right now. We also have the money flow diverging as we come up to this zone. It is a key zone. Let's come to the 5 second time frame. 5 second time frame is giving us the divergence. That could be the high, but I'm not really convinced. I want to come one more One more high. I'd rather tap into the golden pocket. As of right now, I would be. If you're super scalping, 100x leverage or 125x leverage or whatever, this is kind of what I would be looking at right here. Let's change the color. I can't seem to find a good color for this freaking golden pocket. Sure, let's go green. Okay, so I would... Oh, whoops. That's not what I wanted to do. Like that. Okay, so I would be looking in here. This could have been it, but I don't think so. Let's see what happens. Right now, there's no entry. No entry right now. We're a little bit too early. We're front running it. And also, because the 5 and the 3 and the 2 are not looking good to stop here, I wouldn't put so much weight. I don't know if I'm going to take it, but I will announce for you guys. I will commentate what I believe might happen. But let's see. Did our value area high change or no? No, same VAH. Okay, so right now, what we would want to see on the 5-minute time frame is money coming out. Right, we want to see boom, boom, divergence, money coming out, divergence. If that happens and we come up here, I'll probably take it. We will see though. I'm apparently short. I didn't even know, but I had a limit order, I guess, overnight that so I am short right now, and I am underwater, but I'm long. I'm fine. So we'll see. We'll see if I can get my entry back to 0 on this short. But let's see what happens here. I'm not too stressed about it. I ain't stressing. Let's see if we get that div, man. Let's see if we get the div. 1 minute is looking good for the short. 2 is giving us the golden nugget, which is good. The 3-minute money flow is not too sexy, I'm going to be honest. 5-minute looks like we might come up as well. 10 is giving us the dots. 12 is looking like it's gonna go up. So I wouldn't put so much weight behind this, but let's see. Let's see. Guys, I'm gonna pause on checking like ETH, BTC, and like Matic and whatever, because we're gonna see if we can hit this short. This is the rhythm of the night. All right, let's see. Let's see what we see. Definitely no shorts until we tap this. Best case right now, I'm gonna tell you guys best case. This is best case. Best case, we come down, tap into here, tap somewhere here, come down, come up, put in this divergence, money flow continues down, and we do something like boom, boom, boom. That would be best case right now. I would love to see that. Let's see. This is the rhythm of the night. Guys, if you haven't already done so, make sure you hit the like button. And while you're there, hit the sub button and the notification bell. I give y'all the sauce. If I was from New York, I would say the sauce. I give y'all the sauce every day. And multiple times in the Discord. So while you're down there, make sure you hit the make sure you join the Discord as well. We got new people coming in. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna just wait, man. We're gonna turn up the music and we're gonna wait. We gotta be patient. Patience, guys, patience. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see if it happens. Rhythm of the night. Let's see if we get it. Boom, boom, boom. We're gonna get the bang bang, baby! Bang! All right, let's come down to the 5. Sauce. Coffee. Do I mind if you ask me a Forex question? No, go ahead. Can I sweep liquidity on any time frame? And if so, how do you know what high or low to use? Market Cipher, man. And like whatever time frame you're on is the time frame that you would want to see the close. So you would want to see, like right now we're in this range, right? And this is a 1 minute time frame, so we would want to see a 1 minute close above like these highs, for example, or 1 minute close below this. You'd follow the market structure on whatever time frame you're on, and you'd look for the closes. So yeah, guys, that could have been it, man, like I said, but that's okay. That is okay, not a problem. It's a quick scalp anyways. It's not like you're missing the whole farm here. It ain't like y'all missing the farm. That doesn't even mean we might not get it. Let's see. One more div, baby. I'll take it. Man, if the stream is delayed, I can't really do anything about that, bro. When I made it not delayed, you guys couldn't even watch, bro. It was like, I guess like what happens is because I'm uploading like live and you guys are downloading live. So I guess what happens is without the delay, there isn't enough time in between me uploading and you guys downloading. So you're caught up, and so it has to buffer because it takes time in between. So that's why there's even a delay. Now people will think I'm from New York. I run New York. King of New York. Bro, the treadmill broke. The treadmill broke. Listen, so let me tell you guys. Oh my goodness. Listen. The treadmill broke. I had the treadmill for 3 weeks. The treadmill broke. I tried to return it to Amazon. I go to return it. The day after it broke was the day that it expired, that I couldn't return anymore. So I missed the return date by 1 day because it broke the day before. And it broke the night before. It broke at like 10 p.m. that night. And the next day it expired. So I tried to return it with Amazon. They're like, yo, you can't return it. You're out of the date. I'm like, are you joking me? This thing was $400. Like, I'm out $400 because of 1 day. And I had it for 3 weeks. Like, how is this fair? Anyways, I emailed them and I'm like, guys, like, you need to send me a new one. And they're sending me a new one. So the new one will come in like a week or something. And I honestly might just sell it because that one's probably gonna break too. From the 6, yes sir. All right, also Sartak saying I will do USD JPY. I just want to see what's gonna happen here with Bitcoin. Whenever you get delayed, just set the playback speed. Yeah, I know, bro. Such a scam, man. So stupid. Getting some bread says let's do this. I think we should get some bread, guys. This stream is gonna be a little bit shorter than normal. We've already been streaming for an hour and a half, but we're gonna go soon because I gotta hit the gym, man. We're partying tonight, baby. We're DJing a corporate event. Let's get it. Guys, listen, there's 107 people and there's 133 likes. I'm not saying that I'm upset about it. I'm very happy about it. Okay? I get more live viewers than people with like 15, 20K subscribers. But if we can get to 150 likes, man, I'll be so happy. It will be the cherry on top to such a good week. Can you guys please, if you haven't hit the like button, please do so. I want to see, man, if we're going to get this scalp here. Let's see if we get it. Dance with the move. All you got to do is groove, baby. Let's check the 5-second. All right, 5-second. We might get some movement now. We might get it now. Dance with the groove, baby. Let's see if we get it. Show me the money, baby. Yeah, I DJ for fun. I mean, I get paid, but I don't need to do it, if that's your question. It's so much fun, man. I've been DJing for like 8 years. I used to DJ like clubs and like festivals here in Toronto. I trade BTC USD. Okay, while we're waiting, let's set an alert here. All right, let's check USD JPY for our boy. Daily doesn't look too bearish. I would expect to come and take this low, which we're actually taking right now. I would expect that we're going to take this low. But daily time frame doesn't look too bearish. 18 is looking worse. I would say for sure we're going to take this low. I mean, we're literally right there. Did we already take the low? No. I would say 100% we're going to take this low. I mean, you can't really ever say 100%, but I would say we're basically going to take the low. Here we have an 18-hour order block. Right? 18-hour order block here. And if you want the coordinates for that, 145, 144. Those are your coordinates. I would probably expect to come down to here. I'm going to be honest with you. And I want to say this. I don't trade Forex, so I'm not familiar with how Forex moves. Where are we? All right, we're coming up. But I would expect to at least come to this zone. We do have an 18-hour order block there. If we fail that, I would expect to come to here. Also an 18-hour order block. There are your coordinates. Oh, we're taking the high. Okay. We're going to come back. Let's check the 5-second. Okay, 5-second. We do not have a short right now. We do not have a short. We broke the range. We know we're in it. We know we're here. Where's my value area? All right. Value area actually came down. Let's see what happens. We do not have a trade right now. 1 minute time frame is giving us a perfect. If we take this high, this is a divergence. Right? 1 minute's giving us the dips. Let's check the 5. 5-second right now. There's no trade. No trade right now. No trade right now. We are in the short zone. We are in the short zone, but there's no trade right now. Even if it comes down from here, there's no trade. Money flow is still thick. No trade yet. No short yet. Boom. Look at that. Wow. Okay, this might be the SFP, but it's still... We have no signal. No signal right now. It would honestly be even better if we come for the high. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Okay, money flow is too thick for me to like that. I would not have taken that. And we do have a red vector now on the 1 minute, indicating that we may come back up. But let's see what happens. For sure being respected, though. Right now, I would expect to come up again. Boom, boom. Give me another dip with money coming out. I might take it. Best case right now for me would be this, 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 this. So boom, 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 boom. 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 With money coming out. So that's about how long from now? That's about 5 minutes from now. That would be best case, in my opinion, for me. Let's see. God, I swear to God, I will come to India and somebody gonna get hurt real bad. The vivid wave indicator is good, but I don't know how long that's gonna be free for you. I'm working with the guy. Guys, 13 more likes. If you haven't hit the like button, please hit the like button. I know I'm being annoying with it, but I would really appreciate it. I don't think I've ever had 150 likes before. Everything I do is over loving you, baby. Wait, what did I say? Why are you guys laughing? I don't remember what I said. Oh, somebody gonna get hurt real bad. All right, let's see if we follow this to the T, man. That would be sick. So far, we are like literally to the T. Let's see what happens. Oh, man, that would be so nasty. Guys, if this plays out, I am only gonna respond to King Geo after this. If this plays out, if we follow it to like, it doesn't need to be literally on the line, but like if we come up here and then that would be so gross. Me on the 5-second time frame. All right, we're so far not following the script here, man. We're not following the script here. Oh no. Now everything I do, baby, is over loving you. You've yet to see a violent Canadian. People can be pretty violent here. Was that a Russian accent? I don't know how to do a Russian accent. I also don't know how to do an Australian accent. My brain like can't comprehend it. All I know how to do is nor. Nor. I don't know why they put an R there. Nor. Bro, Russell Peters doesn't do justice to us Indians. We do not have such a thick accent. Man, my views are gonna skyrocket during the bull run. I hope so, bro. Maybe Geo's the one. But on a serious note, you need to learn from me. Hey, man, listen. Stick around, bro. You'll learn. You'll learn a thing or two. Russell Peters' Chinese guy's impression is goated. Oh, you took the short from 38.9? Let's go, baby. There you go. I didn't take it, but there you go. Okay, looks like we're not following the script here. There you go, man. Shouts out to Crypto Fiber for taking the short. I didn't take it. You guys gotta know also. For me, it's hard, man. It's hard to trade while I'm streaming because I gotta entertain, you know. No, I have not heard of Envision Festival. If you mean it, baby. Whoa. Oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. Guys, what are the songs that I always sing? Okay, we're gonna do another party now. We're gonna do another party right now. Y'all know how it goes. Y'all know how it goes, man. Some of you don't know. Y'all know how it goes. While we wait here. Hey, listen.
But I don't know what to say, 'cause
You let go. Guys, listen. If I provided you any free value in any way, show your peers. Let me see those hearts in the chat right now. Hearts in the chat. Hearts in the chat.
until it's gone.
Hearts in the chat. Hearts in the chat. Hearts in the chat.
Sometimes you gotta lose somebody
Just to find out you really love someone and know.
and I do
Hearts in the chat. If I have provided you guys value, if I have provided you guys value in any way for free, show your peers, please. Hearts in the chat. Hearts in the chat.
you really
Love someone and know.
yeah. Sometimes
You gotta lose somebody. Bo, 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 bo.
sometimes
You gotta lose somebody. Guys, don't just hit the heart. Let me see the comments. Heart comments. I want to see the hearts in the chat. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
you got until it's gone. Sometimes you
Gotta lose somebody. Can you guys tell I wish I was a pop star?
So don't tell me it's too late. Hard to make to bend, baby. Please don't let me break it. I knew I should have stayed, 'cause now you're moving on, and I don't know what to say, 'cause you let go, and now I'm holding on. I guess you don't know what you got until it's gone. Sometimes you gotta lose somebody just to find out you really love someone. Oh,
Today's Boulder Day, baby. We're hitting boulders today.
And I do, yeah. Sometimes you gotta lose somebody just to find out you really love someone. Oh, yeah. Sometimes you
Hearts in the chat. Hearts in the chat. If I have helped provide you value for free in any way, and you've made money. Number one, thank you for kicking it with me. I want to see hearts in the chat. Show your peers. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Let's get it, baby.
Sometimes you gotta lose somebody. Sometimes you gotta lose somebody.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said she
Lose somebody.
All right, guys, listen. That was fun, man. That was fun. That was fun. I enjoyed that. Thank you guys for that. Sometimes you gotta lose somebody. Okay, listen. So, what do we do? What do we do if we believe that that was the high, right? We had the divergences. We had the divs. People don't know this. People don't tell you this. People don't talk about this. By the way, guys, thank you for all the hearts, man. I love that. I love you guys too, man. You guys make this fun, bro. You guys make this fun for me. So thank you very much. 11 more likes, baby. 11 more likes. 11 more likes. And then we're at 150. Listen, if you believe that that was the high, you pull the fib from there. Okay? There's no use in pulling a fib from somewhere you don't even think is the high. So let's just say that this was our local high. Okay? You pull the fib from here. If we come back up here, you know, if we come back up here, then we look for shorts again if you missed it the first time. So let's see what happens. 1 minute, we have the green dot. 30-second could curve up. We could get that re-entry on the short. 2 minutes looking up. 3 minutes looking up. 5 minutes is kind of iffy. We are getting the golden. We did get the golden nugget, actually. So shouts out to, I don't remember the name, but shouts out to whoever it was. I'm sorry, I forgot the name, and I can't scroll up because there's so many hearts in the way. But shouts out to whoever took the short from 38.9 right there, live on our stream, like we called out. So congrats for you. I didn't take it, but nonetheless, we got someone's eating, baby. Chicken dinner for somebody, so that's good. Man, we're all still so early here. Geo to a mil will be huge. I hope so, bro. Dak, and Dak kicked it with me from day one, so big shouts out to Dak, man. Dak's been really good to me, and I appreciate it, brother. Thank you. Now everything I do, baby, is over loving you. You'll come to the voice chat someday to kick asses. I don't know. I don't remember if I checked Matic. I checked, where did I check? I checked something else. Oh, I'm still big on the screen. Why are you not telling me that I'm still so big on the screen? Guys, I've been live for an hour and 50 minutes. I'm going to go in 10 minutes because I need to hit the gym. What time is it? I got to go to the gym and I got my gig tonight. My gosh, 31:30. Oh my days. Oh my days. G-Money, you closed it? Why, bro? Why? Why are you closing it? No, I don't know if it's going to go up. So let's see if, because we put in a new high, let's pull a fib now to the new high, and there's your, wow, look at that. Actually, that could have been a long. I wouldn't have taken that long personally. I would probably, where would I wait for? I would actually want a little bit lower for a scalp long. I would probably, for me, I would want to come here. I would want to come down here. That's where I would be looking for if I was going to scalp long. And right now, scalp shorting. This is kind of iffy because we didn't close below here, right? We SFP'd, indicating that this is actually a targeted high now. So we'll see. But we're also on the 1 minute time frame. Like, this doesn't really carry much weight. Oh, I don't know what the song is, but I like it. Eyes closed. Dance with my eyes closed. Dance with my eyes closed. Dance with my eyes closed. Let's see if we can come up one more time. Dance with my eyes closed. And guys, so this is really how you. This is how you guys you scalp the range, man. This is how you scalp the range, guys. You know. Yo, this is nasty. I like this. All right, let's see what we see, man. I will tell you this. Look, so this last wick on the 3 recovered the rest of the vector candle, basically almost to the dollar, and SFP'd this high, right? We SFP'd this high. So I don't actually believe that we'll come and take this high again. Not ever. I'm not saying ever. Right? We build a narrative in real time as we are given the information in front of us. We don't just say forever. I need to stress that for you guys. Yeah, I need to stress that for you guys. So we'll see. If we come up here, I will 100% look to add to my short. And for here, I mean, really, this would be the zone. That would be our zone. And, I mean, technically, this would be our zone for the long. Kind of a big zone though for a scalp, but we'll play it anyways. And I would hold emphasis on this order block. I would want to come to the gray part, but I know that technically it could be there. And here I would want to come here. So let's see. Let's see what we see, man. Oh, you missed it by $1? Bro, story of my life, man. You guys see all the time in the Discord, I give you guys, I'm like, yo, limiting is a scam. Limiting is a scam. By the way, guys, welcome to all the newcomers, man. Appreciate y'all. Okay, guys, you already know, man. Look how big this is. And I had my tea before. I'm going to go, I'm going to go empty the tank real quick. I will be right back. When I come back, if I come back to 150 likes, man, I would be very happy. I would be 5'3" of pure happiness if I got 5 more likes. I'll be right back.
Wasted and I'm high. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. High, but I'm high. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm wasted and I'm high. But I'm high. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. High, but I'm high. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm wasted and I'm high.
I have returned. Okay, look at Matic. All right, Matic's the last one I'm gonna check. Gio's the best YouTuber. Great hits. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. Your face cam is blocking the charts. Yeah, I goofed. Okay, look at. I gotta remember to look. Okay, let's pull up. Man, I can't when we're scalping BTC, man. Too much is going on. I didn't even finish this JPY. Let's see, man. I want to see if we can come up to here first. Bro, is it you on... No. My name is not Bobby-GeoTrader. No, sir. Not me. Not me, man. Not me. All right, guys. VIP code while we're waiting for Bitcoin to do this, and then I'll look at Matic. VIP code, guys. VIP code. VIPizzle code is... Oh, man. I don't know how this button works yet, but I pressed the monetize button. Oh, baby. So when I press the button on live, does it like skip all this part, or do you guys have to like now catch up? Like, I don't really know how it works. That is so funny though. Listen, eventually I'm gonna stop doing that, but I just got monetized, man. Let me have it, okay? It's fun to abuse my power a little bit. VIP code is 1604. All right, if you don't know what that means, come over to the Discord on the top right, message my GeoBot 1604 1604 and you will be admitted into my VIP section where I give you guys updates in real time and everything else, man, and everything else, right? Real time updates. Oh, that's you guys. Real time updates here. And guys, every time you come back in, send a random GIF or GIF, however you say it, because that's funnier. Send a random GIF. All right, let me check Matic real quick, and then we're gonna head out, boys. And then it's gym o'clock. All right. Matic on the 18 looks pretty bullish right off the jump. Remember, it's gonna follow Bitcoin. Yeah, Matic looks super bullish on the daily as well. We do not... I'm not interested in that. I mean, we do have an 18-hour order block right here. Actually, let's go OB blue. So the coordinates for that are right there. 88.6 to 94. 4. And actually, I lied. It's up here. This is a daily order block. This is better. So 88.6 to 96 basically is a nice order block. I mean, we could include this as the 18, but there's not really a point, but we could keep that if we wanted to. Let's check the 4. Let's check the 8 actually. Yeah. This is probably as refined as I would go. I wouldn't go more refined than this. And I would actually dump this second one. I would keep it like that. So these are your short zones. This larger is our daily zone. And then this one is our 8-hour order block. And then we'll reassess if and when we get up there. But I will tell you this again, remember, it depends on what Bitcoin's going to do. And I'm expecting a pullback on Bitcoin. But whenever Matic decides to pull back on the next leg up, because what I think is going to happen on Bitcoin is I think Bitcoin's going to, wherever it decides to top out, Bitcoin is going to come down to maybe 30K. And then it's going to make a run up to like 50, 55K. And then we're going to come back down to like 20K or whatever. So the alts will follow, like I said. Preferably for Matic, what I would say is for it to come down. I mean, it would be breaking high time frame market structure, but see if we can find places for it to come down on the way down. Okay, I would want Matic to come to here. So I'm going to set an alert here. And this is a 12-hour order block. So 12. I would want Matic to retrace. If Bitcoin's going to get its retracement, I would want Matic to come down to here. To 64. And then I will ride 64. If this happens, I will long Matic. And I'm going to be super honest with you. If Bitcoin comes down to 30K and Matic comes down to this level, I will long and I will probably target this high. Okay, I will target this high. So let's actually draw that out. I would long here. I would target this high. Okay. And I would put the stop loss. I don't imagine we would actually take these lows. I really don't, but give or take, right? The stop loss is to be determined, but we'll just leave it. We'll be conservative, being super conservative with it. That's a 10 to 1 risk to reward. But realistically, it would be something like this, if I'm being honest, or like this. So 10 to 1, 20 to 1. But this is the idea. And so for me, for swing longing, even if it continues up from here, which it very well may, I would not take the trade. Personally, I would look for shorts up here. Oh man, we actually even have an order block here too. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna break out because I think Bitcoin is gonna fall. But I really prefer this. So maybe like if Bitcoin pumps over the weekend, which it might, maybe Matic will find its way up here or up here. Right? So zone 1, zone 2. And then we could potentially short it down to here. And then hopefully look for a market structure change and take the way up. Take the way up. Take it up. Wow, I'm stuttering today, man. Goodbye, Gio. It's midnight here in India. Love the stream, bro. Can I give you some PDFs or some way to learn from you? Just watch the YouTube, bro. It's all on YouTube. It's all on YouTube. But anyways, that's kind of my plan for Matic. That's what I would do. So if we come, let's get our shorts in play as well. If we come up here, I would look for a short. Targeting this, actually targeting the top of the order block. So I would target like that. That's a 5 to 1. And then short number 2. Short number 2 would be this. Not exact, man. Like you know, we would have to see how it goes. But I would look for a short, something like this. Also down to this zone. Those are the two shorts that I would look. So I'm going to put an alert here. Put an alert here. That's what I would look for. High time frame, that's what I'm looking at. Right, here's a 12-hour as well. Yeah, I would like that. I would like that. That would be good for me. And do I actually have this on my chart here? I don't think I do. No, I do not. Let's get rid of this. Yeah. Yeah, so that's what I would be looking at for Matic, something like this. Okay, and if you guys want the zones for it, those are your order blocks. All the red here are your order blocks. All right, Flex Dude says, check the screenshot on the brag about it channel. Let's go, baby. That's sexy. There you go, man. There you go. All right, guys, listen. We've been live for 2 hours and 5 minutes. It's time for your boy to hit the gym. Have a good weekend. I will catch you guys in the Discord, and I'll give you guys updates as I can. Again, I'm DJing tonight. You already know, man. Just play the range, guys. We went over it on the stream. Just play the range. It is as simple as that. We are expecting a move to the downside eventually. Doesn't mean we can't come up first. We actually, look at that. Wow. Man, this is my problem for when I do alts and stuff. Look, we missed this trade. Let's see, would we have taken this trade before I go? So we already know our zone, right? We already know the zones. Would we have taken it? So 1 minute would have given us a hidden divergence, right? Hidden bull divs. Let's see on the 5 second if we would have taken it. We actually probably would have taken it. And we tapped our order block. We probably would have taken this long. I probably would have taken it. Because we have the bull divs with the money flow over time and with the momentum waves on the 5 second. As we came down into not only our zone, but also an order block. While the 1 is giving us hidden divs, the 2 is giving us hidden divs. The 3 is probably giving us hidden divs. I would have taken that long. It's too late now, but I would have. All right, guys, that's it for the stream. I'll catch you guys I'll catch you guys on Monday for the next stream. And of course, I'll see you guys in the Discord as always. For the ones that took the boot camp, if you're still here, Monday at 6 p.m. EST, we are doing a free Market Cipher B follow-up boot camp that I can answer all your questions and concerns and whatever. So make sure you guys prepare that for me. But y'all know the codes. I'll give you guys updates. I'm going to go hit the gym, and then I'm going to go hit my DJ gig. So I'll catch y'all in the next one. Stick around for the outro as always because it's fire, guys. Peace out.
Set my heart on fire.